Are you an owner-operator, or do you want to be? Running a business is difficult and risky. There are many things you need to do, and skipping steps can lead to failure. First and foremost, understand, you must do the hard work. If you're an owner-operator and you'd like to take you and your business to the next level, you're going to want to listen up. Running a business requires constant learning and updating your skills. Technology is changing the game every day, and it's so easy to fall behind. Business continues to get more complicated, and you must continue to learn and grow. And yet, the news gets worse. Failing to constantly learn and update your skills and knowledge will put you and your business at risk. Without knowledge and skills, your profit will suffer and your business will struggle. Fortunately, there's a solution. Let's Truck University offers a wide variety of expertly taught classes that will take you and your business to the next level. Each course is the latest in cutting-edge science and research, mixed with the timeless business advice that has been proven effective for years and even decades. The information is organized and taught in a step-by-step, easy-to-follow format. Once signing up for a course, you will have lifetime access to the data, and it is continuously updated. We offer classes in business, finance, health, and more. You must continually upgrade your business skills. If you don't, it could cost you your business. Instead, choose Let's Truck University as your knowledge center and continue to learn and grow. Visit learn.letstruck.com or call our awesome Tribe Care team at 855-800-FUEL. That's 855-800-3835. In no time, you'll be at the top of your game.